So this is just a quick demo of an experiment of combining my research data with procedural texture to make pretty planets. So this is my Blender project file, and here you can see the planet with its textures rendered in real time. You can see the shader nodes for the gas giant texture down here. This is an input image from my research data. Actually, it comes from this my recent paper about mapping the top of atmosphere structure of this object. And I'm using this exact map here. So back to the project file. I was using a curl field node group to generate these swirling textures on the gas giant. It's got many layers. I downloaded this node group from Alaskan FX on YouTube. I'll put a link to that below. So in this space layer, I also took this image as an input to control the size and positions of the storms on the gas giant. And here are some settings to control the large and small scale structures. Here's some other settings, including the color palette. So that is the gas giant object, and I have another separate object for the atmosphere with its own texture. So this helps to create this more puffy and realistic look. And that's it. You can check out my personal website about my research and my 3D art projects. And I hope to see you again in another video.